Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to do my favorite top 5 designer fragrances that I think that every beginner will love. This is something that I want to stress, that we don't have to indulge into niche fragrances. We can smell just as good wearing designer perfumes, and I want to share my top 5. Well, 5. I want to share my top 5 that I think that everyone that is a beginner will love and indulge in. So my first fragrance is C Passion by Giorgio Armani. This product I just got recently and I just can't stop spraying it. So first of all, it's a floral fruity fragrance. The top notes are pear, blackberry, pink pepper, and grapefruit. The middle notes are pineapple, rose, jasmine, and heliotrope. The base notes are vanilla, cedarwood, and patchouli. Trust and believe that the first time that I sprayed this fragrance in Sephora, I was captivated by how fresh and bright it smells. This is definitely one of my top favorite fragrance. This is the epitome of a woman that wears her hair jet black. I love a black woman with jet black hair and bold red lips. Red lipsticks exudes confidence, and I feel like the bottle, the color itself is red, so it tells you that there's just some type of sexiness and seduction to this fragrance, and every woman needs this in their collection because it makes you feel confident. And the thing is that I wear this no matter what time of day it is. I feel like I gravitate to this whenever I come out of the shower. I gravitate to this even going to the doctor's office. Like, I just know that I will smell good. And from the moment that I bought this, I can't put it down. I just can't get enough. I think it's just something with the pear, blends in with the black currant, also has a little scent of vanilla to it. It just brings warmth even though it's fresh. There's just something about this fragrance that I think is just irresistible, and I am so happy that I picked it up. So next up on my list is going to be Candy Night by Prada, and this is definitely a fave for me, and all of these that I'm talking about are definitely faves, like top 5. They are so good. This one, I just can't explain how amazing it is. It's a amber vanilla type of fragrance. So the moment that you spray this, you get the iris, the neroli, the bitter orange. The middle notes are vanilla, tonka bean, and the base notes are chocolate and patchouli. I was looking on the details about this fragrance, and it said on the website that it is a contradiction between like freshness and sweetness, and I have to agree. It gets you that it feels bright, but yet still it gives you some form of sweetness with that chocolatey vibes that you're getting from it, and I absolutely love that. It's very captivating, it's very alluring, and I feel confident whenever I wear this. I feel warm, I feel sexy. I feel like this is something that every woman needs in their collection. Just go with it. Just take the leap of faith. Trust me, you're gonna love it. If your man is mad at you, child, put on this and tell me how long he's gonna be mad for. That sucker won't be mad for too long. He will be over whatever you did very quickly. So next up on my list is going to be the Versace Eros Perfume, and this is like a floral, musky, woodsy type of fragrance. This smells phenomenal. The top notes are Sicilian lemon, pomegranate, also Calabrian bergamot. Middle notes are lemon blossom, jasmine sambac, also jasmine and peony. That gives like a rich, sweet type of scent to it, which is very long lasting, by the way. Not very overpowering, but very strong and lasting. And I think it blends well with the jasmine because it gives like a rosy type of smell that formulates into like a citrusy type of fragrance that blends beautifully with the jasmine. So it's definitely not overpowering, but it's, to me, it's very unique. And what this does, it makes me feel bad and bougie, very bad and bougie, okay? And the base notes are musk, peroxide, woodsy notes, and sandalwood. If you want to smell like a rich auntie, if you want to smell like you have some coinage, and you want to feel fresh, vibrant, and confident, I would say go ahead and purchase this fragrance. Also, it's perfect for the spring and winter time, so I would definitely be wearing this throughout this season and the next season following. So I feel like everybody probably has this already, but this Good Girl by Carolina Herrera it has to be on my list. And this is an amber floral fragrance, and the top notes are almond, coffee, and bergamot, and also lemon. The middle notes are tuberose, jasmine sambac, orange blossom, orris, and Bulgarian rose. Also, the base notes are tonka bean, cacao, vanilla, praline, sandalwood, musk, amber, cashmere wood, cinnamon patchouli, and cedar. Whew, that's a lot, but it definitely embodies someone that is super confident, and it is super addictive. Every time I smell this fragrance, I have to take a deep breath, like a deep sniff. Like, it's so good. I can't believe that back in the day I went to Macy and I was completely apprehensive about it. I'm like, no, I could never get it. I can't believe I roasted this fragrance so bad. Then now I am in love with it, and I'm so happy that I got it. Thank God I grew out of that stage. Okay, try new things and it's just amazing. And what I would say is that it's very versatile, and I feel like I can wear it throughout the day. It's not overpowering for the day, and I can wear it at night. When I initially first sprayed it, I could smell the almond and the coffee. I did not really get any type of citrus smell from this. But when it was drying down, I feel like I got some like orange blossom scent out of it, and I could smell like a hint of jasmine also. But then when it dried down, I was getting like a more of a musky type of vanilla chocolatey vibes from it. So I love all of the stages of this fragrance. Like, it just hit me here, hit me there, and I really enjoyed. So if you are someone that wants to try new fragrances and you don't have this one, trust me, I think you should get it. The lasting power is amazing. I feel like it lasts a long time, so I'm not worried about that. Go ahead and get it, okay? And lastly on my list is Alien by Mugler, if that's how you pronounce it. Because I feel like I've been butchering all of these names, but trust me, I'm a beginner. Just bear with me, okay? I am not a connoisseur. I'm just a BCDarian when it comes to fragrances. I'm learning, but eventually I will get everything good. I will know how to pair things. I will know how to layer things, because this is something that piques my interest. So I can't wait to see how far I will get into fragrances and knowing my notes and stuff and what works and what. But I can just tell you by smelling it what I like, and I feel like smell good. So let's talk about Alien. And this is a toilette. It's definitely not as, based on reading online, it's not as overpowering as the EDP, so that's good. And the notes are, the top notes that is, are citruses. I don't know what, but it just says citruses. Mandarin orange. Also, the middle notes are Moroccan jasmine and also white flowers. The base notes are white, amber, and cashmere. And when I tell you that this fragrance is so fresh and seductive, it's also very powerful. I feel very confident when I put this on. I can't believe that, based on like other fragrances from this brand, I just can't believe that I will find something that I like. I actually went into, was it Nostrum? Yeah, Nostrum, and I smelled it and I had to leave with it. I said, you know what, I'm just gonna try the smaller bottle just to test it out, because sometimes you can buy things in store and then when you come home and put it on your skin, wear it throughout the day, it's a complete disaster. But I walked away with it. I loved it even more, that I can say, and that's truly amazing. Okay, so I was reading something on the website, and this phrase got me, because I think it explains it very well. It said that it's composed of white amber and mixed with the cashmere that gives a seductive and sensual trace on the body, which I think so just lingers. There's just something about the dry down that is super captivating and just super sexy. It's very seductive. It does give you a sense of freshness at the same time, and it's very long lasting, I may say. And for something that's a toilette, I'm shook. I am shooken by this. Okay, it works so well. It's definitely not strong and overbearing, but you can definitely smell it throughout the day, and I feel like I'm getting my money's worth with this fragrance, so I absolutely love it. So that's great. Hopefully you like my top 5 picks. I don't have a lot of fragrances. I'm not a hoarder as yet. Let's not put that in the universe. But based on the speed that I'm going, I definitely feel like I'm gonna have a large collection, but it's okay. I feel like this is something that I love. I found something that makes me happy, and I just like smelling good, and I want to indulge a little bit more into this. But I feel like if you're just starting off and you don't know what to buy, you can try out these. If you are a makeup connoisseur, if you know a thing or two, please tell me what you think about my top 5 picks, and also give me some recommendation down below. Don't be stingy, okay? Don't be one of those girls that don't want to share your new finds and what piques your interest. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.